Math Olympiad question. Question is this: x cube plus 2 root 11 into x square plus 11x plus root 11 is equal to 1. Then find the value of x. How to solve this type of equation? First of all, this 1 move to this side. Therefore, this is x cube plus this is 2 into root 11 x square plus 11x plus root 11 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here root 11, here also root 11, means assume root 11 is equal to some value m. This implies 11 is equal to m square. Put 11 is equal to m square and root 11 is equal to m here. Therefore x cube plus this is a 2mx square plus this is m square x plus this is m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore now first write this m square x, means x into m square, plus now write this part 2m x square plus this m, this x cube right here, minus 1 is equal to 0. Now therefore x into m square write as it is. Now here m common, remaining part is a 2x square plus 1 into m plus x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. If you look at this is a quadratic equation in m. Use discriminant formula. A is equal to x, m square coefficient is x, b is equal to the 2x square plus 1 and c is equal to x cube minus 1. Now therefore m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore m is equal to, b is equal to 2x square plus 1, put here. Therefore minus 2x square plus 1 plus or minus square root of 2x square plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value is x and c value is x cube minus 1. This I think clear. This divided by 2 into this a value is x. Now therefore m is equal to this part right as it is, minus 2x square plus 1 plus or minus square root of, now here use a plus b whole square formula. Therefore this is a 2x square means 4x raised to 4 plus 2 into 2x square into 1 plus 1 square is 1 minus 4 minus 4x into x cube means minus 4x raised to 4 and minus 4x into plus 1 minus 1 means plus 4x, this whole divided by 2x. Now simplify inside the square root value. This therefore m is equal to minus 2x square plus 1 plus or minus square root of plus 4x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4 cancel out. This is a 4x square. This is a plus 4x plus 1. This divided by 2x. Now therefore m is equal to minus 2x square plus 1 plus or minus square root of 4x square means 2x whole square plus 4x you can written as 2 into 2x into 1 and this 1 you can written as 1 square. This divided by 2x. Now here use this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. If you look at this, a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1, compare with this equation, this part is this form. Therefore this is a plus b whole square. Therefore m is equal to minus 2x square plus 1 plus or minus square root of, this is a 2x plus 1 whole square. divided by 2x. Therefore, m is equal to minus 2x square plus 1 plus or minus 2x plus 1 whole square, here square root. Square root and square cancel out, but this part is negative. Square root of x square is mod x, but here already plus or minus sign. That's why I consider here only 2x plus 1. Square root and square cancel out, divided by 2x. This part I think clear. Now simplify this bracket. Therefore, this m is equal to this minus and multiply. Minus and multiply means minus 2x square. This is minus 1 plus or minus. This is a 2x plus 1 divided by 2x. Now 2 case possible. This is a plus sign and minus sign. Therefore, m is equal to first one consider with plus sign. This is a minus 2x square minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 divided by 2x, and second m is equal to minus 2x square minus 1. Minus and multiply means this is minus 2x and minus 1 upon 2x. Now first case consider this part. Therefore, m is equal to this minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, minus 2x square plus 2x. 2x is common. Remaining part is here minus x. Here remaining part plus 1 upon 2x. Therefore, m is equal to, now this 2x cancel out. Why? Because x is not 0. Why? Because if you put x is equal to 0, root 11 is equal to 1, not possible. That's why x is not 0. That's why 2x cancel out. Here remaining part is a minus x plus 1. Means first m value is minus x plus 1. Now use this part. Now m is equal to, this is minus 2x square minus 2x minus minus 1. This is a minus 2 upon 2x. Now m is equal to, now these are 2 common. Remaining part is a minus x square minus x minus 1 upon 2x. Now this 2 cancel out. Therefore, m is equal to minus x square minus x minus 1 upon x. Now recall this part. M is equal to, assume root 11. M is equal to root 11. Therefore, first part thus. Therefore, root 11 is equal to minus x plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to, this x moved to this side means plus x, and root 11 moved to this side means minus root 11. This is the first x value, means solution. Now root 11 use here. Therefore, root 11 is equal to this minus x square minus x minus 1 upon x. Now x multiply here. Therefore, root 11x is equal to minus x square minus x minus 1. This part I think clear. Now this whole part move to this side. Therefore, x square plus x plus 1 plus root 11x is equal to 0. Now simplify this part. Therefore, write first x square plus root 11x right here first plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here x common. Therefore, x square plus root 11 plus 1 remaining and x consider common plus 1 is equal to 0. Here direct factor not possible. Then use discriminant formula. Here a value 1, b value is root 11 plus 1 and c value 1. Now therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put all this value. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 11 plus 1 plus or minus square root of root 11 plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value 1, c value also 1. This divided by 2 into 1. This part I think clear. Now therefore x is equal to minus root 11 plus 1 plus or minus square root of, now here use a square, a plus b whole square formula, means root 11 square means 11 plus 2 into root 11 plus 1, this is minus 4 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus root 11 plus 1 plus or minus square root of, now 11 plus 1 12, 12 minus 4 8 plus 2 root 11 upon 2, means total 3 solution possible. One is this 1 minus root 11, second one is minus root 11 plus 1 plus sign with root 11 square root of 8 plus 2 root 11 upon 2, and second one is a minus root 11 plus 1 minus sign with square root of 8 plus 2 root 11 upon 2. Now these 3 solutions possible of this equation.